need to do now in order to get my application to Heroku is git push Heroku master. Now, before you do this, this is just for your check. One thing that you could do, which will make it easier, you can run this command Heroku local. And what's this going to do for you is this gonna run your application locally as if it was on Heroku. And one of the reasons that I highly recommend you do this, just in case that there is any issue, you can code that before you kind of go with the whole process of, my gosh, my application not running, I don't know what's going on, I don't know what's not working. Then you can kind of have an idea and debug the application before it goes to Heroku. Now check this out. The way Heroku run this application is it first look for this file called profile. If it doesn't find this file, then it run this command for you. And now you can see everything started and you can test your application on port 5000. The reason this is not 8080 is because Heroku is the one running your application now locally for you. So if I go now to port 5000, you can see here I'm getting all the data because it's connected to my local DB. And if I add another one, another test, making sure that work fine, and I can see this one being added, which means pushing this application to Heroku should not have any issues. So this is a preview of an entire series about how to build an entire MERN stack application from scratch. So definitely make sure that you check this out.